Hello everyone, today we're gonna see the best Wi-Fi sharing app for Android. I'm going to give you 3 apps. Firstly, InstaBridge. It has access to over 20 plus million shared Wi-Fi password, offline Wi-Fi map access, and auto connect to free spots. It is great for travelers and data saving, community-driven password sharing, and free version is available. It is free and it has a premium pack for $199. 2. Wi-Fi Map. It has over 150 million hotspots worldwide, built-in VPN for secure browsing, and user-added or updatable passwords. Also, you can use eSIM and speed test features. It has a massive hotspot database and it includes VPN and offline support if you subscribe to the premium version. And finally, NetShare. It helps you or turns your phone into a hotspot or Wi-Fi repeater. USB tethering support and file sharing via Wi-Fi Direct is also supported. It also has data monitoring tools. It needs no root required, secure connection sharing, and one-time payment if you have decided to go to the Pro version. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.